Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today I shall be looking at Euro USD on the 4 hours time frame. And I shall be showing you a simple strategy on how to identify trend continuation using price action strategy. First and foremost, let's draw the support and resistance levels. Our resistance level there. We have another resistance level. We have another resistance here. And lastly, we have a support down here. Let's draw a trend line here. Nice. Now, to identify that this is a trend continuation, you need to make sure that the price stays above the lowest low of the previous pullback. That is, if it's an uptrend. And I'll show you here what I mean in a moment. If it's a downtrend, you need to make sure that the price stays below the highest low of the previous pullback. Let's get into it. This is our lowest low here. We have highest low here. This is another highest low. This is another highest low. As long as the market stays above the previous pullback, it's considered a trend continuation. Now, let's see what happens if the market breaks the previous pullback. This was our lowest high. We can see here the market closed below the previous pullback. This means it's no longer a trend continuation. Let's see if it was a downtrend. See another example. This is high. This is highest low. Have another highest low here. Highest low and highest low. As long as the market stays above, as long as the market stays below the previous high, the previous highest low, it's considered a trend continuation. We can see here the market closed above the previous pullback. Now it's no longer considered a trend continuation. This is the simplest way to identify a trend continuation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this works for you.